This is our annual theatre production, Dreamspeak, and it is a theatre showcase which is completely driven by our student body, right from acting, drama, setting up the stage, props, makeup, costume, everything's led by our learners.
Are you all anxious about anything?
No, not anxious.
We've done this too many times. We've gotten over all our anxiety. Now it's all about
it's all about the teamwork,
performance and
performance.
having fun while we perform it.
Any memory that you have of your child discussing with you about the play or being excited about it?
No, she said it's very secret, so she didn't share much in advance, so we are very excited to see the result now.
Are you excited for the play?
Sure, who wouldn't be excited, because he's only 8 years old, and at this age, if I would see him performance in front of so many people, so it will be an honor for me.
Quite impressed with how well she memorized her lines and performed it on stage. I think she did a good job of channeling those nerves and doing a good performance.
Since it's intermission right now,
Yes.
how were the two plays that went?
Oh, they're fantastic. Like the courage, the magic that they bring on. This is magic in the making, and you're seeing the sparkle that they have. So it's fantastic.
Amazed as usual. I've been coming for 10 years and they always manage to amaze me every single year.
We love all the performances.
Year by year it's coming better and better.
It was lovely.
Very entertaining, really good one.
Everybody did a great job.
It was excellent. A lot of effort they have put, starting from the small kids to the big kids, and we saw the difference, honestly.
It's been great. I mean, I've been there from Dreamspeak 1, and what I always felt was they've kept the magic going.
How would you describe Dreamspeak 11 in one word?
Oh, teamwork, electrifying, smooth, sadistic,
Chaos.
Extreme cuteness. That's
One word.
cute.